Either if you want to update your Samsung A series devices like A50, A51, A30, A31, then this video is for you. Actually, there is no option or there is no feature to update your and this S25. Currently, I'm using S25 Samsung, so there is no update for Android version 13. You can find in my about section. It is actually Android 11, Android version 11, but you can update your this Samsung A50 into Android 13 because of it just not eligible for Android 13, and there is no update for these A series devices to update to the Android version 13. Even there is no update for Samsung this Android version 12 yet also. So in this software update section, if you tap on download and install, you can just check for the updates if there is any update. So you can just find the update if there is any update available. So for Android version 12 or Android version 13, the common sense is you will get Android version 12 before of Android version 13, but the Samsung company just stop upgrading the software, updating the software. So the A series devices is for stopped to the Android 11 version. So you can highest get this Android 11 version, but we can wait further to get update, any type of update if Samsung launch. So we can get Samsung this Android 13 version on our Samsung A series devices. So as you can see, there is no update available right now. It is up to date. The software is up to date on this device. That's mean the highest software update is Android 11 on Samsung Galaxy A series devices. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.